Hey everyone, is your cursor acting wild, darting around the screen like a runaway shopping cart? Don't chuck your mouse just yet, because we've got a few quick fixes to get that cursor back in line. First things first, let's try refreshing the connection. If you're using a wireless USB mouse, unplug that dongle and pop it back in. This can sometimes clear up any connection stumbles. Next, give your mouse a quick reboot. Turn it off and on again. Think of it like giving your mouse a little digital nap to wake up refreshed. Still got a jumpy cursor? It might be time to power cycle those batteries. Take them out, wait a few seconds, and then pop them back in. Fresh batteries can be magic for a glitchy cursor. While we're at it, let's clean up your workspace. Dust and dirt on your mouse pad can confuse your mouse's sensor, making the cursor jittery. Grab a lint-free cloth and wipe down your mouse pad. If you've tried all these tips and your cursor is still acting crazy, it might be time to update your mouse driver or check with your mouse manufacturer for more help. But hey, hopefully, one of these fixes will get your cursor back under control and you can get back to whatever you were doing without any more unwanted cursor gymnastics. So that's been it for this video. I hope this helps you. This has been D from DLog TV. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.